Okay, here we go.
Hello guys! It's our first out of the country.
Let's see.
Hong Kong, first destination.
Our first exam.
Let's go. Hold on.
Hold it. So,
sige na.
there.
Hindi, iharap ko. Magsasalita ako eh.
Naka-record na yun.
Harap mo sa akin. Paano harap?
Daw 3 pindot.
Dito?
Oo.
Yan. Yun. So, mag-park lang kami guys sa Park and Fly. Tapos, i-cover namin tong Seprada. Then, we'll wait for mga kasama namin. Kasi mag-check-in pa kami. Antayin namin yung kasama namin para doon sa mga luggages. Kasi gusto namin kung possible na i-add yung mga bigat para ano lang, parang i-total lang. Basta ganun. Kayo na bahala mag-intindi. Kapag may question kayo, mag-comment kayo. So yan, on our way to Park and Fly. And then, it's best din pala kung gamitin natin yung battery. Parang pag-check namin online guys, 200 per day yung bayad sa parking, but let's see pagbalik namin. So ganyan lang siya, pero dahil malayo, lalabas siya ngayon. Yan. Yan. Give it a me. Yan to siya. Iba naman. Yung dito na sila. To the vlog, Amber.
Say hi.
Say hi to the vlog. Hello.
Say welcome to Hong Kong.
See you, Mickey. Hello. See you. Okay, it's a success.
Hanap-hanap lang ng food ang mga person. There. There.
See you, Hong
Ate.
Kong in 2 hours.
Mickey Mouse.
See ya.
Hello everyone, we have just landed at Hong Kong International Airport. Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Hong Kong. Welcome to
Anong petsa na? Naghanap pa rin ng makakainan here at Rambler. Ikot na namin ang buong plaza para hanapin ang 7-Eleven.
Hey. Kung na hindi tayo maka 10,152 steps.
A few moments later.
So sabi ni Jade, ano daw? Watson's water.
With the bag? That's it. Ah, yeah. How much is the bag? $1. Sabog na tayo.
Ito na food.
Yun, ready na yun. I'll close that.
So we're checking out na ito nga pala yung view namin here sa
day in Hong Kong.
Rambler Oasis. Ayan, nasa harap kami ng pier. Ayan, 19th floor. There, sayang medyo cloudy po. Okay, good morning!
Good morning! It's officially our first day in Hong Kong.
Yan, first day in Hong Kong, looking for breakfast.
Maangat. Ay! Hindi mo kasi inaan.
Ay, meron pa. Diba? Ayan.
Officially our first day.
Go!
Show the view.
That's our view.
Ano yun?
Right there. Come on, Bamanas. Cafe de Coral.
Ay, parang gusto ko rin ng C5. Hindi doon, pilihan lang to. Hirap dyan.
Hirap. Here's our food. Beef satay, coffee, and pineapple bun. What's your order?
This is... What's this? C5? Hindi ko alam, parang
G5.
sopas.
So what is that?
Sopas na macaron.
Bun and is that chicken?
I think so. Pero ano siya, parang matamis.
Hey, we're at the bus na. 88F going to Qingyi MTR station. We're going to Sneaker Street.
Inside yan. Amber. Yan, dahil malikot ka. Okay. Let's go.
你或大型物件嘅乘客入閘後，請使用右邊嘅升降機。為保安全，攜帶行李或是大型物件的乘客，入閘後請使用右邊的升降機。For safety reasons, if you have baggage or bulky items, please use.
Okay, we have decided. Hi, ate. The train is here. Wait lang, palabas muna. Yo. Hey, nakababa lang namin ng Liking.
Card, where's your card?
D3 exit. We're here. Congratulations. You made it. Yay! Pero wala pa tayo sa ano. Sa sneakers. Malapit pa talaga tayo. Ay, yung Gio! Gio is there, guys.
Asics, Puma, Nike, New Balance. And we're here at Longfong. So, ayan. Kahanap pagkakagastos ang
Buying something. Ay, ito na lang. First stop, Lagas. Sa sapatos, si Terran.
Time for payment.
Parang meron kong kakilalang isa dyan ng mahilig.
Wala! Okay na sa'yo. Pinte. Nakita mo yung pinte.
Ang ganito. Okay. First,
The goods.
got the goods. Now, I think we'll head back.
Kain mo na, kain.
Okay. We'll eat.
Wait, doon to sa'yo tayo.
Kami sa DS, groceries. Ano na mga pwedeng ipasalubong. Damages na naman. Yan, dala kayo ng eco bag. Kasi mahal ang plastic dito. Okay, mukhang may got the goods, pero wasak ang bulls.
Pakita mo din yung WhatsApp. Ito din ako WhatsApp.
Emperor.
Join forces kiss ka.
Ano jamming?
May mga humihipak-hirin eh.
Pampagising.
Para makalakad ng mahaba ang kanilang pampalakas.
The Hippakers. Bawat pinti.
Thank you.
Tamusa. Naloka. Tapos kumain.
Ralski, you have.
Menu is right here. Screenshot nyo na lang.
Magkano yung amin?
And then isa na lang muna tapos i-ano na lang.
Hindi lang, meron naman ang isa.
Ayan.
Magkano sa'yo?
58. Tingnan akong 2. May 2 ka.
So, beef curry. Beef curry. So good. This one is the
Tomato.
best. This is tomato, pork, something.
Kaya pa ng kapatid.
So good. This is the best.
Shreps. Samang shreps.
Ikaw kami ba?
Boy noodles.
Girl noodle. Lady noodle.
Yeah. Okay, we just arrived in our second hotel dito sa North Point. 2-bedroom unit. Okay, let's see. We have a little couch. And here's the bedroom one. And let's see the view. Okay, this is so good. Ta-da! Oh. Wow. Nice, nice. Wait,
Yes.
pakasaya mo ah.
Ha?
May nalulula daw dito. Wow.
Parang kalaban.
Uy, nandito kami somewhere na hindi pa kami nakakakain. What's this? Carbonara.
500 isa talaga.
52 talaga.
Isang order.
2 pieces.
Well, ganun
Ah,
yung kanain natin kanina.
2 pieces talaga. How's the chicken, Amber? You like it? Pero yung amoy niya na parang yung classic chicken joy dati.
Pero siya nagustuhan niya. Dito kayo dalawa.
Okay.
Dito ka na.
Nireserve ko lang yung phone.
Saan?
Dito ka. Dito ka.
Ah?
Dito na ang
Feeling. Di naman namumove, diba? Pero ang ganda, may space.
Sir food, of course. Jolly Chicken Joy. At ang tinry nitong isa ay carbonara.
Carbonara with broccoli.
With broccoli. Let's taste test. Parang yung ano.
Instant carbonara.
How's the milk tea?
Ano, masarap naman, pero yun nga, depende sa tamis.